All right, here with check-in number 7 of this wonderful summer semester. So this week was quite interesting, as I had an exam the previous week and spent a lot of my time studying for that. But then over the course of this week, especially from Friday to Wednesday morning or Wednesday afternoon, I was studying for the dynamics exam, which was a bit more difficult than I anticipated, especially with it being one question having multiple parts. But the nice thing is that with having 2 days to review the material and to be able to sit down and focus on it instead of having that time crunch of 1 to 2 hours or so, it was nice to actually be able to think about the problem and to look through all the material that we needed and that we were able to use, which I think helped to simplify the several parts. And really, once that was done and I got another homework assignment for another class done, that after about Thursday afternoon or early evening, I decided, hey, I needed a break. And so really over the course of this weekend, I really have not done any other studying. I'm just going to be completely honest. I really have not really thought about school or homework in that way. And just had a whole lot of family events this weekend. And so I really did not have a whole lot of time to sit down and study and to start reviewing the material for chapter 15. Really until this morning, where I did get a little bit of time to start listening to the chapter 15 videos. And so my plan this week really is to go through these videos and to review this material and to review the similar material that I learned in Physics 1 about this. And this is kind of one of the areas that I did struggle with in Physics 1. And so it's nice to be able to revisit this material, hopefully to gain a better understanding of it and to really just to understand it better so that I can perform well again on the next exam in about a month. Really, just this, it's been nice to take a break and to not only physically but also mentally, just to take a break from the rigorous structure of college and with these classes, because they are quite difficult and they do require a lot of time and energy. And so, that's one of the most important things that I've learned, especially going through school and especially this week, is to just kind of give myself a break and to really listen to what my mind and body is trying to tell me so that I can perform to the very best of my ability and that I can learn the material without feeling overwhelmed and frazzled with the complexity of some of these equations and problems that we're trying to solve. So hopefully this next week, especially in these upcoming weeks, I can use this rest to my advantage and do well and begin this chapter 15 homework. Hopefully that it will make a little bit more sense this time, the second time around. And yeah, so here's to a better week. Thanks.